Hello everybody, making a handle today for this. It's wood splitter, and I got the broken piece right here that was sitting in it. And if you got a grinder, angle grinder, and some metal blades, you grab shit laying around at grandpa's or your uncle's house. Look at, found an old handle laying there. Nice too. So, man, grinder, I can grind that right now and make a ball at the end of it. Look at that, guys. Look at it, ready? It's got the swivel thing goes right in there. You guys make anything you want, just gotta put your mind to it. Look, perfect. Put the pin to it and she swivel. Here, let me get a pin quick. I'll show you guys. Should be right here. Here's the old one. I'm just gonna put a nail into it for the time being, but just to show you guys how it works. You put the pin in. I made the circle. Goes right in. Put a pin into it. Yeah. Well, there's something. See there. Here. There you go. Up and down, up and down. Okay, it's got to be a little longer, but we'll get her.